Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set or change your Steam profile settings to private. So if you do not want people to see some various settings and options on your profile, I'm going to show you guys how to change your Steam settings pretty easily. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up Steam if it's not already open, and then select the Steam tab at the top left corner of the application and select the settings option. Select the privacy settings button, and now underneath my profile, click inside the drop-down and select private. You also have the option to select friends only as well if you want to do a more limited private option. However, I do want to note that your basic details will be set to public, so your profile name and avatar are visible to anyone who visits your profile and are used to represent you in multiplayer games. The profile background image and many profile elements you choose may also be visible even if your profile is private. The reason for this, obviously, if you're in a multiplayer game, you have to have some sort of basic detail provided into the game itself. So that is why you cannot completely go private, but your profile settings like your summary, friends list, badges, Steam level, showcases, comments, and group membership can all be set to private. And if you scroll down here on a more granular level, you can also make other selections. So if you want to allow, for example, game details to be public while the remainder of the profile is private, as defined on this page, you can click on the drop down and you can make certain changes here as well. You could set the profile to public and then just make different smaller changes on the individual settings here. But if you set your profile to private, it appears the only option you have is private for all these other options. But like I said, if you want to just turn off game details, for example, you have to set your profile to public and then you can set individual options to private. So it looks like it kind of overrides the other options below. Basically, if you set the master option here to public. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.